Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today let's discuss some amazing benefits of lemon. So having one glass of lemon water every day can be the solution to many problems. So please don't skip the video, watch it till the end and you will be amazed by knowing what wonders lemon can do. So let's begin. Also, we know it is a good source of vitamin C. So basically, it is an antioxidant that protects the cells from free radicals. It also reduces the chances of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and also helps in lowering blood pressure. And also, it helps in boosting our immunity to fight against any infections. So, most of us face the problem of swollen gums or bleeding while brushing your teeth. So, this is a sign of deficiency of vitamin C, which can be easily cured by including lemons in your diet. To your surprise, it also helps in regulating stress level. So, when we are stressed, our body releases a hormone which is known as cortisol, which is also known as stress hormone, having adverse effect on bodies like weight gain, high blood pressure, and also sleep deprivation. So one glass of lemon water will minimize the effect of cortisol, which will help you to relax, hydrate, and make you energetic throughout the day. So whenever you have exams, make sure you have one glass of lemon water every day so that it helps in controlling your stress level. So we spend lot of money behind skincare products. So including one glass of lemon water will improve your skin quality. It reduces wrinkle. It also prevents from skin drying and also damages made from the sun, including tanning. So the logic behind this is skin requires a protein which is known as collagen, which improves the skin elasticity and also increases the blood flow to the skin. So lemons are loaded with vitamin C and helps in formation of collagen. Also, collagen is present in arteries and veins, which helps in strengthening and maintaining the elasticity of arteries and veins. So, deficiency of collagen makes the artery easily fragile, leading to symptoms of nose bleeding, easy bruising, spider vein, and also varicose vein. So, there can be many other reasons for this condition, but one of the reasons can be deficiency of vitamin C. It prevents kidney stones. So most common type of stone found is calcium oxalate. So citrate found in the lemon binds with oxalates and reduce binding of oxalates and calcium, preventing kidney stones. So lemons also reduces the risk of gout and uric acid stone formation in kidney. So gout is nothing but deposition of uric acid between the joints, which leads to tremendous pain. Lemons are acidic, but when you consume after an hour, it becomes alkaline, which helps in neutralizing the uric acid. If you're doing keto diet or intermittent fasting, your body goes into acidosis or a acidic level increases. So one glass of lemon water can help you to neutralize the acid. Also, if you're suffering from acidity, one glass of lemon water can help you to settle the acid in your stomach. How can we forget alcohol, which is the main cause of acidosis and also dehydration? So one glass of lemon water can help you to detoxify. Yes, it also prevents anemia. How? So lemons contain vitamin C and citric acid, which helps you to absorb iron in the stomach. So whenever you are having iron-rich food, always pair it with vitamin C food or lemon. Lemons also supports heart health and reduces the risk of cancer. So it reduces the cholesterol level and antioxidant present in lemon fights against the cancer. It also prevents bad breath. So you might avoid bad breath by drinking a glass of lemon water after meals and first thing in the morning. So lemon is thought to stimulate saliva and prevent dry mouth. One glass of lemon water can improve digestive health. So symptoms like burping, also bloating of abdomen, constipation can be solved. One glass of warm water with half a lemon in it after lunch and dinner helps in weight loss. You can have your lemon water with ginger, or with honey or with mint. Also, never take sugar and lemon water together, for example, lemonade, because whenever they are taken together, only sugars are absorbed and not vitamin C. There are some disadvantages. Being an acid, it can erode your teeth. So after having lemon, raise your mouth with water. Also, if you are suffering from osteoporosis or osteoarthritis, it might hinder in absorption of calcium. Thank you. Hope you also start your morning with fresh lemon water, of course, without sugar. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share your views in the comment section below. Till then, bye.